Yum! Applesauce! Always what I wanted for breakfast.
Recording. Oh.
Froze in the woods. Ba-boom!
I wasn't sure if we were taking a picture or not.
No, we're recording the
Very good.
shooting episode. Our very first shooting episode. We've got some things to blow up.
Have you shot?
No, I have not.
Oh.
Let's do that. Whenever you're shooting, always make sure to wear your hearing protection. That's right, we have nothing here on Bros in the Woods but the best. Cotton balls. You might think we're a bunch of idiots, but I'm pretty sure if you watch our last videos, we called ourselves that first. So we beat you to it. I think I'm gonna rip mine in half.
And they work good for the 22 and the 9mm.
Yeah. Let's see what they do with the 12 gauge.
We'll find out.
We'll find out.
Hopefully we don't pop our ears.
What? Now, as much stupid things as we do, we never mess around with guns, in all seriousness.
No, I'm just joking.
Right, we never mess around with guns, because that's a terrible thing to do. Remember, always keep your finger off the trigger and the gun pointed away from people.
Thank you, Mark.
I don't think he hit anything.
Yeah, I did.
Oh, did you? What'd you hit?
The face and the forehead.
Oh, the face?
Huh?
Well, all right.
Pretty good.
Little cleanup.
Who are you going for?
I think I'm done. Oh, wait. I forgot one. That hurt. Son of a gun again. Oh, wow, baby, that hurts. We're using Arnie's single shot 12 gauge, which has all the recoil. We're both gonna shoot a double lot at Mr. Big Nose. How'd that feel?
Oh, you feel it.
This is not gonna be fun. I want to be much bigger of a wimp than Arnie. I'm going to shoot at Mr. Big Nose.
Yeah, get ready. Hold that thing tight.
You gotta prepare yourself mentally because it hurts so bad.
Hold that sucker tight.
Hold the hammer back, baby. Hold the hammer back. Oh, this is gonna suck.
Did you hit it?
Yeah.
Are you okay?
That hurt. Yeah, pure delight. Alright, I like me some Poland Springs. Yeah, baby. Oh, ginger ale. I love you. What the heck is that? Nest tea?
Yep.
Nest
yeah.
tea, baby. How about some beef stew? Oh, you son of a gun, I like tuna fish too. Oh, I think that's some Nestle water in the back. Yeah, what's that in the front? Beans? I like beans with my wieners. Oh, gross. Oh, that's clean. All right, I'm going to finish off that brick with the 22. Oh, that didn't give it away.
I know.
Did I say 22? By the way, the cotton balls work great for the shotgun.
They do.